Hello, I'll be introducing trigonometry. Word trigonometry consists of three Greek words: tri, gono, and metron. Now, tri means three, gono means sides, and metron means measures. So, when we talk about three-sided figures, in geometry, if we recollect, it is a triangle. So, trigonometry deals with the measuring the sides of the triangle with respect to the angles given, and it is also deals with exclusively with a right angle triangle. Okay, now let us derive the different trigonometrical ratios. Consider a triangle ABC Consider triangle ABC ABC is a right angle triangle where angle B is 90 degree and the other two angles are acute angle. So angle A is an acute angle, angle C is also an acute angle. Now we know that the side which is opposite to angle B is called as hypotenuse. Now if I consider angle A with respect to angle A, I will find the different trigonometrical ratios. There are 6 trigonometrical ratios. Sine A, then we have, it is SINE, and abbreviation is sine A. Then we have cos sec angle A, which is written as cos A. Then we have tangent tan A. Then we have cosecant, it is called cosec A. Then we have secant A and cot A. Always the ratios are with respect to the particular angle. Here we are taking a particular angle as A. So when we have to find the ratio, trigonometrical ratio sine A, it is always opposite upon the hypotenuse. Now which side is opposite to the angle A? PC is opposite. So we write here opposite side upon hypotenuse. Yes. Similarly, when I talk about cosec A, it is the adjacent side. This is the adjacent side to the angle A. So it is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Now when we talk about the tangent, it will be the opposite side upon the adjacent side. Opposite side upon the adjacent side. Okay. Now when we talk about cosecant A, it will be the reciprocal of sine. So reciprocal of sine is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Similarly, secant will be the reciprocal of, or it is also called as 1 upon sine A. Sec A, angle A is also called as 1 upon cos A, which is equal to the reciprocal of cos, which is equal to hypotenuse upon the adjacent side. Similarly, when we talk about the cot, it is a reciprocal of tan A, which will be equal to the adjacent side upon opposite side. So, trigonometrical ratios, there are 6 ratios. Sin A, I have taken out all the ratios with respect to angle A. Now, let us see what to write with respect to the measures of these sides. Okay, so we will complete this aspect. Sin A is equal to opposite, so it will be BC upon AC. AC is the hypotenuse. Then we have here cos A is equal to adjacent. Adjacent is side AB upon hypotenuse is AC. Then we have here tan. Tan A is nothing but sine upon cos. So it will be opposite. Opposite means BC. It will be BC upon AB. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Then we have cosec A. So it is written as cosecant or cosec A is equal to reciprocal of sine A or opposite of sine, reciprocal of sine A. So that will be AC hypotenuse upon the opposite side. Then we have here secant. Secant A is reciprocal of cos A, and that is equal to hypotenuse is AC, AC upon the adjacent side, that is AB. Similarly, cot A is reciprocal of tan A, which is equal to, we have got adjacent upon opposite. So adjacent is here AB, AB upon BC. These are the ratios with respect to angle A. Now we will find the ratio with respect to angle C. Find with epiphenols. This is also one of the complementary acute angle. We can find the ratio with respect to A. Now, let us see the next same ratio but the next angle. So, let us consider a triangle again. Let us consider the triangle, right angle triangle ABC. ABC. Okay. Let us consider a right angle triangle again, ABC. A, B and C. Last time we found out about A, now we will find the same ratio with respect to the another angle C. So we get, it's a revision, sine C is equal to opposite upon the hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So we get sine C is equal to AB upon AC. Then we have cos A, cos C is equal to adjacent upon the hypotenuse. So we have BC upon AC. These are the trigonometrical ratios. Then we have tan C is equal to opposite upon the adjacent. So it is AB upon BC. Then we have cosec C, which is equal to 1 upon sine C, which is equal to, we get AC hypotenuse upon the opposite BC, AB. Similarly, we have sec C is equal to reciprocal of cos. So reciprocal of cos is BC upon AC, and its a reciprocal will be AC upon BC. And then finally we have cot C, which is equal to the reciprocal of tan C, that is BC upon AB. These are the 6 trigonometrical ratios in a right angle triangle with respect to the 2 acute angles.